This is Chaitanya S from Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. I was graduated in Kallam Harnath Reddy Institute of Technology from Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. I recently got placed in Data Patterns Chennai company. Why Emertxe? So basically there are many embedded institutes which give courses, but the Emertxe which have systematic manner, module wise, and the lab sessions and hands-on projects, everything are very good. And that too, for placements, everything they will give placement eligibility test and mock interviews, especially interview preparation sessions with the test. Everything helped me to got placed in a good company. I highly recommend it. Who is looking for upskill their embedded journey, I can suggest you a better choice is Emertxe, which helps you lot in everything. And student support team, placement team, everybody guides you very patient, and the mentors and all, the doubt clarifications also very clear, and they will explain twice and thrice when we until we understand. Thank you so much.